Guys, it's Jazzy and
Yeah.
so today we're going to be giving you guys a tour of the office. So let's just get
Wait, I have to get up for this.
Yes.
Oh, fine. You asked for this, right? Little Jazzy, come to YouTube. This is the toilet seat. Ouch, that hurt my ears. Then there's a light. That's not even a light switch. Then there's this fancy tapping thing. I'll see you guys in 3 hours. Goodbye. Then I accidentally opened this window, so sorry for the lighting. So we have a Jazzy's chair, which is my relaxing chair when she's not here.
What do you mean?
This is my editing chair where I lay with my feet up. Then Jazzy, show them the green screen. We got a green screen. Then we have the desk where we will put a camera once we actually get the proper camera out here. We have a bunch of toxic waste on here, a bunch of American candies. Yeah, some Jolly Ranchers over here too. Put those on the chair. Not chair. Then there's some heaters over there that we will probably use in the winter, and a TV made 300 years ago. There is our disgusting coffee. Oh yeah, there's the bookshelves. Turn to the disgusting coffee. We left all plates on it and stuff. And turn to the fridge. Oh wait, I need to give them a tour of the fish. Right, so come on. Right, so we got Dr. Pepper, Maltesers that I didn't finish, a nice freezer section, and then a door. That's basically it for today's tour. I hope you enjoyed, and I will go back to hibernation. Peace out.
Bye guys.